Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone supports Face ID and iOS is up to date. Once done, open the App Store and update Capital One, then sign in. Next, go to Settings and verify Face ID is enabled for apps. This ensures the app can request the biometric. Now return to the Capital One app, since we'll start the in-app setup immediately to link Face ID securely to your account. You'll navigate to the Capital One app settings to enable Face ID. Open the menu and tap Security or Sign-in options. Once you choose Face ID, the app will show step-by-step prompts. Follow them carefully. Make sure you grant permission when iOS asks for camera/Face ID access, and then hold the phone at a natural distance and rotate your head slightly if prompted. This accurate scan helps prevent future failures when you unlock or approve transactions. You'll finish by confirming the toggle is on and testing. Close the app and reopen to sign in with Face ID. If it doesn't work, re-register Face ID in iOS settings or remove case and clean the True Depth camera. Obstructions cause most issues. Make sure ambient lighting isn't extreme. Try again. If problems persist, use your app passcode fallback and contact Capital One support. This approach isolates device issues versus app settings, so you can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.